Let's explore 5 legit websites where beginners can start earning online. No experience needed. Number 1. SproutGigs. If you're new to online earning, SproutGigs is the best place to start. You can complete simple tasks like surveys, sign-ups, and small gigs, perfect for beginners. Number 2. Crowdgen by Appen. Offers flexible tasks that help train AI, like labeling photos, recording your voice, or writing short texts. It's great for beginners who want to earn extra income while learning simple digital skills. Number 3. Microworkers. Microworkers is perfect for beginners. You can complete small online tasks like surveys, app testing, or signing up for websites. Even tiny tasks add up if you stay consistent. Number 4. ClickWorker. ClickWorker lets you earn by doing short, easy online tasks, from writing short descriptions to taking photos or joining surveys. You can work anytime, anywhere, perfect for flexible schedules. Number 5. Remotasks. Remotasks pays you for helping train AI by labeling images, drawing boxes, or analyzing 3D objects. You can even take their free training to unlock higher-paying tasks. You don't need to be an expert to start earning online. Try these platforms, explore what fits you best, and stay consistent. Small steps lead to big progress.